In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Outlook password if you forgot it. So the first thing that you'll need to do, just go and open your preferred browser and make sure and go and type Outlook. Once you do so, go and click on the first link, which should take you into Outlook right away. Of course, as you can see here, they'll take you or they will ask you to sign in into your Microsoft account, which will take you to Outlook right away. Here, for us, we forgot our password, so we just go and click on sign in at the top right corner. Once you do so, this should take you right here. So what you'll need to do basically is type your email. So once you forgot your password, you will at least need to know your email. So let's say this is our email. So here I'm just going to click on next, and here they'll ask me to enter my password. For me, I'm just going to click on forgot your password. Here they'll take me or they will ask me that they will need to verify you. So if you find that you own one of those emails, because when you created your accounts, they ask you as an example to add an email. So as an example, if you have it, that's good. All you need to do, just go and enter the full email. As you can see, they will ask you and they will send you a code, then click on get a code and you enter the code, then you'll have to, or you will be able to change that password. If you don't have it, you can click on I don't have any of these. And as you can see, they will ask you to enter some additional informations like email, phone, Skype name, where should they contact you, and enter the characters here you see. For me, as an example, I do have that email, so I'm just going to enter that out right here. And I am trying to go, okay, no need to add at gmail.com. Go and click on get the code. And here I am going to my email provider, which is gmail.com. I will probably receive a code right here. All I need to do, just go and copy this code and go back here, paste it, click on next, and I'll be able to reset my password. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.